It is the middle of August. It is supposed to be fucking cold in South Africa right now. I am boiling, boiling fucking hot right now. Okay, I am getting beyond hot. I feel like it's like 32 degrees outside. Let me actually check my phone. It doesn't say. Okay, it's hot as shit. Okay. I feel like it's gonna be a torturous summer. But let's see. Okay, I've already had some of this, but this is Dragon Energy Rebel Mango and Grenadilla flavored energy drink, high caffeine content. Okay, cool. This is the one we're drinking today. I've been requested to do a burping video by some of you guys, so I'm gonna do the burpy burps. Let's have a burp counter to see where we're gonna put it. Over here. Okay, burp counter. Let's see how many burps I can do for this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and I'll do more of this. If this reaches, I don't know, 10,000 likes, I'll do a burping video in a bikini outside. Maybe outside is a push too far, but in the garage at least. Or maybe at like family's house, I don't know. I doubt this video is gonna get 10,000 likes, so whatever. Let's fucking go! Okay, that was one. That wasn't great. I've done better work than that before. Yeah. Whew. Gosh, move up a bit. Okay. That one was dangerous. Whew. My shirt says I'm a unicorn, and I do not believe in humans. Because I'm not really hard to read when I keep doing that. I don't know if those count as individual ones or like as one. I'm gonna count them as individual ones though, because it makes my burp count to look more impressive. I'm so gross. I apologize. If this is triggering for you, please watch something else. Oh, come on. Come on, I can do this. I can do this. They're sounding very wet, man. I don't like that. I don't like that. This is making me concerned. Okay, Monster doesn't make my burps so wet. So, I don't know what's going on with this fucking dragon. It's really nice though. You should totally get it. Not sponsored. They're too wet today. I don't like it. I don't like it. It sounds dangerous. sounds very dangerous, dude. They're not coming out right. They're coming out all weird and wait. I don't want to accidentally do that on camera. Oh my god. Even I have limits, okay? Crazy. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. I hope I'm not gonna have an accident. I don't think I will. There we go. Whew. I don't like these. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm trying not to burp like this, but this seems to be making me burp funny, and I don't like it. Let me know what kind of burps there are, and what kind of different, I don't know, drinks give you different kind of burps. I like the taste of this. Grenadilla is always a fucking in my books, but yeah, it's like it wants to come back, man. I don't like that. I don't like revenge of the drink. You're just supposed to make me burp. Okay. Okay, let's try again. Maybe I waited for the gas to go down a bit too much. Maybe it's too gas. I think it's too gassy. Yeah, it's too gassy. That's the problem. Okay, it's finished. I don't know. The burps of that one, I'll give it a 5 out of 10. I have no idea what the burp count is on. I don't even know if I updated it. If I did, kudos to me. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And give me more ideas in the comments of what kind of videos I can make. No. Tell me what I did wrong. Why are my burps coming out so... I don't know. I don't even know how to describe it. So wet? I don't know. I didn't like that. I'm disappointed with this video. And I don't blame you if you're disappointed in my but wait. Wait. Oh, the grand finale. Oh no! I don't want you guys to see how hairy my legs are. It's been winter, okay? It just started to get hot now, so I will shave soon, I promise. I'm disgusting. But you guys love me, right? I'm just a normal girl making videos in my room. Minding my business. And I still get so much hate and drama and shit. Whatever. I'm trying to grow on YouTube, you guys, so I can actually make some fucking money off of social media. So share this with your friends and family. Send it to your creepy Uncle Bob. And yeah, I'll get him out of your hair. It's special to your mom. I kid. Love you guys.